Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2025 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari has taken its legendary performance DNA and injected it into the world of luxury motorhomes. Buckle up, because this is not your typical RV. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Ferrari Motorhome looks like it rolled out of a sci-fi movie. It sports a sleek, aerodynamic body sculpted for minimal drag and maximum wow factor. Signature Ferrari curves flow from front to rear, accented by LED matrix headlights and a deep front grille reminiscent of the SF90. Carbon fiber elements are strategically placed throughout the body to reduce weight while enhancing style. The retractable canopy and active aero wings on the roof aren't just for show. They serve real aerodynamic functions. And the motorhome rides on custom 24-inch Pirelli performance wheels wrapped around ceramic brakes. Because Ferrari never compromises on form or function. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. Italian leather, Alcantara, and forged aluminum dominate the cabin. The cockpit features a flat-bottom F1-style steering wheel, and a wraparound all-display integrates both driver information and luxury entertainment. There's ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood, climate-controlled massage seats, and a panoramic smart roof that shifts from clear to opaque at the touch of a button. The living space is outfitted with a retractable 4K projector, a mini wine cellar, and modular furniture inspired by Ferrari's design studio in Maranello. Every inch screams sophistication. Under the hood, the 2025 Ferrari Motorhome packs a hybrid V8 engine from the SF90 Strudel, paired with dual electric motors for a total output of 950 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds quicker than many sports cars. With adaptive suspension, regenerative braking, and smart torque distribution, it delivers both power and smooth handling. As for the price, this luxury powerhouse starts at $3.5 million. But it's more than just a motorhome. It's a fusion of Ferrari performance, cutting-edge tech, and high-end luxury. Safety-wise, it features Level 3 autonomous driving, a 360 AI monitoring system, and a carbon composite safety cage to keep you secure wherever you roam. To sum it up, the 2025 Ferrari Motorhome is not just a new chapter, it's a new genre. It brings supercar thrill, ultra-luxury comfort, and cutting-edge innovation into a single machine. For the few who can afford it, it's not just transportation, it's a Ferrari lifestyle on the road. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more high-performance luxury content, and let us know in the comments, would you take the Ferrari Motorhome cross-country?